In the enigmatic dance of life, one cannot ignore the allure of the elusive mistress we call fast cash. She whispers promises of power, freedom, and fulfillment, tantalizing our senses with the seductive scent of success. Yet her embrace is not easily won. It demands sacrifice, resilience, and an unwavering commitment to the pursuit of wealth. As disciples of the doctrine of fast cash, we are initiates into a clandestine world of opportunity and risk. We are acutely aware that time is the currency of life, and in the relentless pursuit of our ambitions, every second wasted is a fortune squandered. It is this primal understanding that propels us forward, driving us to seize each moment with unyielding determination. In the annals of history, we find echoes of our creed in the tales of titans who dared to defy convention and forge their own destiny. From the enigmatic exploits of Rockefeller to the audacious endeavors of Gates, their legacies serve as beacons of inspiration, illuminating the path for those who dare to dream. But make no mistake, the journey to fast cash is not for the faint of heart. It is a labyrinthine maze fraught with peril, where only the bold and the resolute dare to tread. In the depths of uncertainty, we must summon the courage to confront our fears and embrace the unknown, for it is in the crucible of adversity that true greatness is forged. Yet amidst the chaos and clamor of the world, there exists a silent strength that lies within each of us. It is the power of self-mastery, the ability to harness our desires and channel them towards a singular purpose. In the words of the ancient sage Lao Tzu, mastering others is strength. Mastering yourself is true power. For it is not the acquisition of wealth itself that defines us, but rather the journey we undertake to attain it. It is a journey of self-discovery, of overcoming the inner demons that seek to derail our progress. In the crucible of adversity, we are transformed, emerging stronger, wiser, and more resilient than before. So let us embrace the challenge that lies before us. For in the pursuit of fast cash, we discover not only riches, but also the untapped potential that lies dormant within us all. Together, let us venture forth into the unknown, armed with nothing but our courage and conviction. For it is only through adversity that we truly come to know ourselves. In the end, it is not the destination that matters, but the journey itself. And in the pursuit of fast cash, we find not only wealth but also the profound satisfaction of knowing that we have dared to dream, and in doing so, have unlocked the secrets of our own potential. So let us raise our voices in defiance of the status quo, for we are the architects of our own destiny, the masters of our fate. And in the pursuit of fast cash, we shall discover not only riches, but also the true meaning of our existence. Together, let us embark upon this journey with hearts ablaze and spirits unyielding, for in the pursuit of fast cash, anything is possible.